Hello, my name is Shelby Grams. My father, Jay, is currently out of the office as he has trigeminal neuralgia, which is a very painful nerve in the face. But he says the show must go on, so I'm going to try and give you my best impression of this 1974 Ford Bronco. If you go to our website, you can see all the pictures and information at volocars.com. But for right now, join me and let's go for a spin. This is seriously by far one of the nicest cars I've ever laid my eyes on. Everything on this car is practically brand new, as it had just been completed from a $120,000 restoration. The body itself had cost $15,900. It is all steel and was completed by Dennis Carpenter, who is licensed by Ford. Coming to the back, we have our spare tire, which swings open to access your trunk. We have all new LED taillights and a brand new shiny bumper. This paint itself had cost $28,000. It is done in Ferrari red and it looks to be spotless. It shines like glass. All the trim and the fender walls are new as well. Looking down the side, it's very nice and straight and smooth. Now these wheels came off of a 2023 Ford Bronco, and there was modifications completed so they could fit. We even have brand new LED headlights and turn signals as well. A grille is nice and clean, a brand new front bumper as well. Everything looks to be spotless on this car, as everything, like I said, is practically brand new. Opening the door, looks very nice as well with these running boards that had sold my dad on the car. I had to hear him nonstop bragging about that feature. Closes and shuts like a brand new because it pretty much is a brand new car. Everything looks amazing on this car. Now I'm going to show you the interior. Accessing the trunk, you have to move your spare tire off to the side here. You have to lift this down. You have a nice matching panel from the rest of the interior. You have brand new hardware and hinges. We even have a brand new roll bar back here. It is all carpeted on the inside of this car. We have two speakers back here, which I will also touch base on as we get to the front of the interior and the car. Opening up the doors, we have the running boards that my dad is absolutely in love with. This is actually the reason why he decided to have the car purchased. He has never seen running boards in a classic car before. He absolutely loves this touch. I had to hear about him brag about it for hours. Looking at the door jambs, the paint is just as nice as the exterior of the car. Coming in, the door panels match the trunk panel as well and your interior. Now getting inside of the car, you have an all brand new dash. Right here, you have a control so you can open and close your front windshield. You have a brand new gauge that had cost $1,800. You have a tilt steering wheel, your automatic shifter. You have your controls for your lights and your wipers. You have controls here for your heat with a brand new Bluetooth stereo that connects to all of your speakers in the car. Off to the side, we have a brand new fabricated glove box that you open. And here you can see our service record as all of our cars get serviced in our shop. Down here, we have our four-wheel drive shifter with brand new carpet installed at the bottom. And my dad had mentioned that most Broncos do not have carpet on the inside, as that is a very nice custom feature it has. Now these seats, very nice and comfortable. They have power controls, allowing you to move forward and back, and it even has lumbar controls. Coming to the back of the car now, you also have matching seats in the back and floor mats. And you also have two more speakers here off to the side as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified as the next video is posted. Coming into our engine compartment, This is the original 302 motor to the car. Stroker kit producing 300 horsepower. The engine rebuild itself had cost $4,700. Off to the side, we have new power brakes, power steering, washer fluid, gearbox. We even have new horns. All of the lines and hoses in this car are brand new. Off to the side here, we have a new battery as well, bolted and hooked into place. We even have hooked up squirters up in front. Looking at the underside of the hood, the firewalls, and the fender wells, it is all repainted in that Ferrari red color, looking just as nice as the exterior of the car. Now Michael is going to take you for a test drive and show you what this Bronco's got.
All right, everybody. It's got an awesome truck here today. Holy cow, is it incredible. A brand new truck, basically top to bottom. You could literally eat off of any square inch of this truck, including its bottom side. It's just absolutely incredible. New body, new motor, new transmission, everything about it's new custom interior. Just incredible truck all the way around. 332 stroker under the hood, automatic. That's rated at about 300 horsepower. Phenomenal truck. Willwood disc brakes all the way around on it. Got a really nice feeling steering wheel here, wood grain steering wheel, and it does have the tilt also. Set exactly how you like it. And yeah, let's see what she's got. And just like that, up to speed, absolutely no problem. Wow. Yeah, just take the top off and just cruise, man. This thing is just a fantastic vehicle. These seats are super comfortable. They adjust, not only, they're like 6-way power seats, so tilt, move forward, back, and then the back tilts up, but they also have lumbar support that's working. So I adjusted that for myself, and it's just absolutely fantastic. As I'm sure Jay's gonna go over, the entire body's new. It's just, we don't get them like this every day here at the museum. Fantastic truck. Again, 74 body, but everything's brand new on it. It's got the Bluetooth radio in here. I didn't dial in a channel either. I turned it on right now, but everything's working on this one. If you want to come test drive it yourself, you're more than welcome to come visit us. I would recommend it. It's a lot of fun. This is a fantastic vehicle. You may want to go ahead and click the buy it now on this one, because I don't think it's going to be around very long. But you know, if you want to come check it out, you're more than welcome. We're about a half-hour drive outside of Chicago if you need to fly in. Contact somebody in our sales department first. They'll absolutely help you out with that. Check out all the details on volocars.com.
Now I'm going to tell you about the underside of this car. It is literally just as nice as the top. Everything is brand new or had been freshly rebuilt. Every steering component, including the gearbox, is brand new as well. All of the suspension components, including your leaf springs and shocks, are new. It has new Willwood disc brakes at all 4 corners, and the emergency brake is even hooked up as well. The entire exhaust system is new and has beautiful welds. It is complete with an X pipe and mufflers. The gas tank has been replaced with a new unit including straps. Looking up at the freshly rebuilt stroker motor, everything looks fresh and tidy. The original transmission was rebuilt by Jerry Fowler. A brand new transfer case and a 9-inch rear end had also been installed in this car. The original frame was removed and then had been sandblasted and powder coated. The floors and the brand new body are perfectly smooth, and it had been painted black as well. Now, thanks for watching.